Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? In today's video I'm going to show you how to run 8 ball poll in our rooted device. Before this I have made a video on 8 ball poll to run in rooted device, but that was a tricky method, and in that method some viewers can't find the permission of get info about installed app in 8 ball poll APK. So in this video I'm going to show an easy method in which you can play 8 ball poll on a rooted device. You don't need any get info about installed app permission deny. So the basic purpose of this method in which I am going to show you about 8 ball poll in English language, because some of my viewers are only able to understand English and I am trying to tell you this in English. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for motivation and new videos about this type of errors. So friends, first of all, if you are a rooted user and want to run 8 ball poll, basically you have Magisk or Magisk Alpha or Magisk Delta. So in this video you have to replace Magisk Official or Magisk Delta or Magisk Alpha, and for that purpose you have to install Magisk Delta latest version, which is 26.1. At the top, this is the Magisk Delta 26.1 test builds, and it's the latest build which I found on Delta official channel. I have an Shamiko module and a LSPOS module which you have to flash in Magisk Delta. And shifting from Magisk Alpha, Magisk Delta or Magisk Official, you have to flash in recovery Magisk Delta newest version 26.1, or you can flash it directly in your system. So I am going to show you how to shift from Magisk Official, Magisk Alpha or Magisk Delta old version to new Magisk Delta 26.1 in this video. So first of all, you have to see this is Magisk Official 26.1, and in modules you can see there are many modules and I don't want to lose these modules. So I have to flash Magisk Alpha here and install this APK here, and you can see after a few seconds it will ask for installation, and after installing this it will ask you to launch or simply press the OK button. So now Magisk Delta is installed 26.1 version, and now I'm going to launch the app. Magisk Delta will ask you for grant permission, and you have to grant permission to Magisk Delta and allow all the time here. And when Magisk Delta asks for additional setup, click on OK, and here you press direct install recommended and press let's go. A few seconds it will take for installation, and when it will install it will ask for reboot. So the reboot button appeared, and now I'm going to press reboot and we'll see you after reboot. Okay friends, now the device has been rebooted, and as you can see there are two Magisk. One is Magisk Delta 26.1 and other is official Magisk Delta, and I will show you here in apps. Here you can see Magisk Delta and Magisk Official. So we have to remove Magisk Official, so I am going to long press it and go to app info and simply uninstall Magisk Official. When the Magisk Official uninstall, it will remove its icon from the applications, and now you can open Magisk Delta, and here you can see this is Magisk Delta version 26105D, and all your modules will remain here. Now I will tell you how you will run 8 ball pool here. You can see 8 ball pool still give us error and can't open and crashes or disappeared after opening it. So the next steps are very simple. You have to go to Magisk Delta and install from storage. You have downloaded the zip file which I provided in description, and open the folder and unzip it When you unzip it, you will find here ls post and Shimiko. You have to flash both ls post and Shimiko. I have already these modules flashed in my Magisk Delta, but I am showing it because it is very important and simple for a new person to see the whole process. So as you can see, now I have both modules. Here you can see Zygisk ls post 1.8.6, and the other is, you can see Shimiko by ls post developer. Before that, go to home setting and configure here Zygisk, enable it boot loop protection. You can enable it or leave it as it is, and configure Magisk hide. From here you can see you have to hide system apps, and there it will show, you can see Google Play Services and Google Play Store. All of these buttons should be ticked by checking this box, and you will find it checked all at once as you check for Google Play Services and Google Play Store. So after this you have to reboot your device, and then you can run your 8-ball. Only one step remaining, which I will tell you after reboot. So I'm going to reboot my device, and after reboot I will show you what to do. Okay friends, the device has been rebooted, and now you can see Magisk has been installed, and there you can see the both modules have been installed. Here you can see Zygisk ls post and Shimiko is also flashed here. So now we will test and check 8-ball poll if it is running well and good. I have tested it already, and it can run without hiding Magisk Delta. And as you can see, as I open 8-ball poll, it is opening normally without any crash or without any error. Here you can see 8-ball poll is now opening. But if you don't get it open, simply go to Magisk Delta and go from here to settings, and here press on hide the Magisk app and rename it by any name. And when it done hiding, it will ask you for accept, and then you will find a new icon with the name of setting or the name which you have provided. Magisk Delta has been renamed, and it will hide itself from detection. Let it allow shortcut on the desktop, and as you can see now Magisk Delta is totally disappeared and a new icon came in the applications. It is also Magisk Delta. If without hiding the Magisk app you can't run 8-ball pool, then after hiding the Magisk Delta 26.1 can run 8-ball pool successfully, because I have tested it on many devices and it is running now normally. So here you can see friends, I can play now 8-ball pool, and I am connecting as a guest, and here you can see here is 8-ball pool and here is Magisk Delta. So this is all about how to run 8-ball pool on our rooted device. So friends, this is my video, and I hope you will enjoy it and find it helpful. Consider subscription and like the channel for more informative videos like this in future. Also join my Telegram channel for more updates and many video tips and tricks on a single page. Take care. Allah Hafiz.